birthday. From Fiona, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Don't forget to check out my other videos at youtube.com. You can follow me on Twitter. Also check me out on Facebook at Fiona Freckles. My mama may have and papa may have, but God bless the child. And now, back to Burp Babe. To burp or not to burp? That is Burp Babe's question. I said the sheet I said. On the studded sheet I say, red leather, red leather, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Unique New York, you know you need unique New York. And many more. I think at the end of the video I should say excuse me. As to lied, pardon doebuchi, shitsureshimasu. Excuse me. Help GoPlanet.net. Help endangered species. 7 burps ago. On this continent, a new carbonation conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all burps are created equal. We shall have a new burp of freedom, and the government of the burp by the burp for the burp shall not perish from the burp. Greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Craig Huxley played on Michael Jackson's hit songs like Beat It, Billie Jean, and PYT. So now beat it. Just beat it. Beat it. I'm not a crook. I'm not a witch. I'm you. Read my lips. Mission accomplished. It all depends on what the meaning of the word is. Yes, we can. What's the difference between a hockey mom and a pitbull? Lipstick. Check out Fiona Andromeda and Around the World in 80 Days Babes. Top Dog is my band of singing canines. Here is Bark Out. Oh, happy dog. Live long and prosper.